insane.
Yeah, I know. Hey Omar, could you get
Guess what? Guess what? The time has come. The time has come. Trying to get a start in this thing.
Yeah, so just put a. Oh, you don't even gonna listen? See how you did? Just walk away.
I'm not walking out.
So basically just put a little base mount on it to get everything started, and was just going through checking all the parameters and everything, making sure the throttle position sensor's working, seeing what other codes we got, and basically it's just intake air temp sensor, idle air control valve, and stuff like that. But we're gonna go ahead and get ready to start it up. We just working on checking the fuel pressure right now to make sure everything's right, and then go ahead and do a first startup video.
All right.
Hold on.
Let's get it, guys. We got our battery in there. We got all the coolant hoses ran right there. We're just gonna do a quick startup. All the wiring is in there. Get a little cranky crank.
We're just using it to turn it off. Is anybody? I think we should vote for 4 exhausts out the back.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Make this shit look like a rocket bunny.
Thank you.
Wow.
Someone ought to do it.
Come on.
Uncle Howard goes, I don't give a fuck, man.
Fire, 4-5 back there, man.
Yeah, that fuck's on fire. No, we're not ready.
Just do like 2 bucks.
I'm doing 3.
All right, here we go.
Whoa.
Got the exhaust on. Just a little dinky dink. And then Mike's gonna start it.
We'll start up.
Hold on, man. This is gonna blow up.
Go.
Let's go.
No, go ahead.
Go ahead.
Come on, Mike.
Come on, Dave, what?
First case swap.
Ever.
First case swap.
Done right.
All-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and talent. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and talent.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and talent.
Them wheels are always
We'll have you
gripping.
gripping, don't get caught slipping. You get behind the wheel, build it your Honda's build. It's military grade, but this is not a drill. It's American made, but we all-wheel drive the world. I see them changing the game, that's when always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all will indeed, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple-digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation. Watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, always gripping pavement. S1, you gon' wanna test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, you gon' wanna test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and talent. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and talent. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and talent.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and talent.
Them wheels are always gripping.
Don't get caught slipping. Even on the straights, yeah, warming up that A6. In Florida got the street cred, we rolling down the street quick. Got that MSD switch, B-Series or a ZC, and that LSV tech, hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at, yeah, we go to Mexico. Racing for the pink slips, and ain't no 12 to catch us, so K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20, MR2, and SXCRX with the K24. Reppin' that EF, go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX, before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that cam to cord that's S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and talent. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and talent. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and talent.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton.
Them wheels are